Hi students, welcome to the second online session on analog electronic circuits. As I told you in the previous session, I'll be taking you through what SPICE tool is and what the SPICE tool that you are going to be using in this semester and some other reading materials that you can access easily in the internet. So coming to this laboratory, in this analog electronic circuits laboratory, we are having two types of experiments. One will be in hardware, the other one will be in software mode. The software which will be using for this implementing circuits is generally called as SPICE tool, which is expanded as simulation program with integrated circuit emphasis. So this is a tool which is developed by industries for simulating the analog circuits and to analyze them. The Spice tool, there are two different types of Spice tools. One is licensed, which is basically owned by companies. We have something called as Arcade, etc., which is licensed version. And for this particular lab, we'll be using a open source tool, which is called as LT Spice. So to access the tool, you simply go to Google and you can type this LT Spice. You have this website called as analog.com, which is actually a very useful website. So if you click on this link, it goes to the download page of LT Spice. It is a free Spice simulator software, which is it is compatible with both Windows 11, Windows 10, and Windows XP also, and you can also download it for Mac or Linux versions are also available. If you want to learn by your own, you can always use this LT Spice tutorials, which is available here, which have all the explanation regarding LT Spice basics, tutorials regarding to design and viewing of outputs, noise analysis, etc. Apart from having this LT Spice, this particular website also has a lot of modules available, courseware. So here, if you go for in analog devices in home, you can navigate through resource library and you will have modules and courseware where you'll have certain topics related to your basic circuit analysis that you read in the second semester, and electronics 1 and 2. It will cover basics of diodes, op amps, MOSFET, etc. that you can read on your own. And apart from this, we also have book materials that are developed by them, which are all available at free of cost, and you can download and you can read it on your own pace. And for self-development, they also give a lot of other tools also. If you see here, design tools. Apart from LT-Spice, we have for electronics, electrical, we have some power tools, amplifier, power management tools, RF synthesis tools, etc. Okay, now let me move on to the implementation of installing LT-Spice. So you can simply download it for Windows 64-bit version and you can install it on your system. After installation, you can open this LT-Spice uh, icon. After double clicking, you will have something like this. Okay, so this is the basic view. This is the sheet on which you will be drawing your circuits. If you look at this interface, you have normally it just resembles something like Windows Word, where you have file, edit, view, simulate tools, etc. And below that, you go first initially you will have settings, new, open, etc. The things that you need to remember, you have to have in mind is here we have the discrete components: resistor, inductor, capacitor. Okay, and here you have a basic diode, and this is op amp, etc. Okay. After that, this particular is for inserting wires, and this is for zoom in, zoom out, pan, etc. Okay. So if I want to draw a circuit, I can simply move, click on a resistor. Okay, sorry for the interruption. I have closed the LT Spice so that I can easily show you once again. So this is the LT Spice icon. Once I double click this, I'll have this window. In this window, I'll go to File and I'll go to New Schematic. I'll open a new schematic and I'm going to save it. Okay. So once you install this software, you will have in the documents, you will have a different, therefore you will have a folder called LT Spice, and this I have named this project as sample one, and I have saved it.